How to find parts with the search bar. You can search by keyword, OEM and supplier part number. Enter the year, make and model to find parts specific to your ride. Refine your search results by category. Then browse to find the great value parts you need. Browsing parts by catalog. First, pick a catalog from our extensive selection. Then pick a chapter from the table of contents. Tap on a page to turn. Or enter a page number to skip ahead. Use the mouse wheel or the controls at the top of the page to zoom in. When you've found the part you need, enter the part number in the search box. Search for alternatives to OEM parts. You can enter an OEM number, or enter the model, year and part category. View the exploded diagram to find the parts you want.